Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to access your Trust Wallet account. Your recovery phrase is the single most critical element for accessing your digital assets. It's a unique set of 12 words that acts as your master key. Without it, you cannot log in or recover your wallet. Always keep this phrase secure and private, as anyone with access to it can control your funds. Treat it with the utmost care. The 12-word recovery phrase is not just a password, it's the cryptographic key to your entire wallet. Each word is crucial, and their order matters. This phrase allows you to restore your wallet on any compatible device, giving you full control over your funds. Think of it as the ultimate backup. Protecting this phrase is paramount to safeguarding your investments. To restore your Trust Wallet, first open the app and select the option "I already have a wallet." Next, choose Multi-Coin Wallet and carefully input your 12-word recovery phrase in the correct order. After entering your phrase, you'll be prompted to set a new passcode. For added security and ease of access, consider enabling biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. Maintaining the security of your Trust Wallet is an ongoing process. Always double-check URLs before clicking and never share your recovery phrase with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Remember, Trust Wallet support will never ask for your recovery phrase. Also, if you're looking to bring your space to life with smart technology, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Stay safe and smart with your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.